Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn About for career switchers, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the page. Once on your profile, locate the About section. Click on the pencil icon in the top right corner of the About section to edit. Begin with a strong opening statement that captures your current career objectives. Clearly state your desire to switch careers and the specific field you want to enter. Use a brief personal story or experience that inspired your switch. Highlight transferable skills that are relevant to your new career. Include any relevant certifications or courses you've completed recently. Make sure to mention any volunteer work or freelance projects in the new field. Express enthusiasm and confidence about your new career path. Keep your tone professional but approachable. Use keywords that are relevant to your new industry for better visibility. Be concise, aiming for around 3 to 5 short paragraphs. Avoid using jargon or overly technical language that may alienate readers. Once you've added your content, take a moment to review it for clarity and grammar. When you're satisfied, click the Save button to update your About section. Share your updated profile with trusted connections for feedback. Regularly return to your About section to make adjustments as you gather more experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.